Mom's birthday. It was night time, around 9 o'clock. Gattu and Chinky were watching cartoon sitting in front of the TV, and Dad was checking his office file sitting there along with them. Mom was working in the kitchen. After cleaning the utensils and the kitchen and finishing all the household chores, Mom came to the hall.
What is this? You guys are still awake? Gattu, Chinky, turn off the TV and go to your room. It's almost midnight.
Mom, please. Tomorrow is a Sunday. Let us watch the cartoon.
But son,
Mom, please. Don't disturb. Do we disturb you in between your cereals?
Mom got angry after hearing Chinky's words, and she turned her eyes towards Dad.
hey, how long you're gonna take with these files? Don't you have to sleep? Every day you go to bed right after having dinner. What happened today?
Please, don't disturb, man. So many files are pending. Every second is precious to me. Saying this, Papa again got busy with his files, and Mom kept watching everyone in turn.
Kids want to watch cartoon. He's busy with his office work. And no one wants to spend time with me. Never mind. I will go to bedroom and sleep.
Saying this, Mom left for the bedroom. As soon as Mom left, Dad slammed the file. After seeing the file, I would have slept before Mom. Chinky yawned and said,
No sleeping, Dad. No sleeping, Gattu.
When Chinky looked at Gattu, Gattu was already asleep. Get up, Gattu. Get up, son. Oh, he's not even moving.
Get up, Gattu. Gattu. It's 12 o'clock, Gattu.
Hearing this, Gattu hurriedly got up and sat down.
12 o'clock. Let's go. Where's the cake?
Seeing Gattu's condition, Dad smiled and said, Gattu, it is not yet 12 o'clock and the cake has not arrived yet. You go and see whether Mom is sleeping or not. When Gattu left, Dad shouted from behind, and listen, come back just seeing. Don't fall asleep over there. Gattu went and came back after a while and said,
Mom is sleeping. Yes.
Where is this delivery boy?
Dad, do one thing. Open the door. And why so? If the delivery boy will come and ring the doorbell, Mom could wake up from that, and that will spoil our surprise.
Chinky is absolutely right. Let me open the door. Saying this, Dad went to the door, and as soon as he opened the door, the delivery boy was standing in front with the box of the cake.
What a perfect timing, sir. I was just about to ring the bell. Here is your cake.
Dad took the cake and paid. Then Chinky came with some money in hand and gave it to the delivery boy.
Sorry, we are not allowed to take service tips.
This tip is not for your service. It's because you did not ring the doorbell. That's why. Please take it.
The boy took the tip and left. Keep the cake in the fridge and do all the preparations. Chinky kept the cake in the fridge, and she, along with Gattu, started preparing the candles and other birthday items. At exactly 11:59 o'clock, Gattu, Chinky and Dad were standing in front of Mom's bed with a big cake. Mom had no idea what was going to happen. Dad saw the time. As soon as the clock ticked 12 o'clock, everyone shouted Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Mom woke up from her sleep and sat on the bed. She could not believe all this was happening. She thought she was dreaming.
Mom, what are you looking at? Today it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Did you like the surprise?
Gattu turned on the music system and the background music also started playing, and she started cutting the cake.
thank you so much. I didn't even know that today is my birthday. I forgot about it.
How would you have remembered? You work all day long. You simply remain busy taking care of us.
Don't worry, Mom. We remembered.
That's why I wondered why suddenly everyone lost their sleep. These two were watching cartoons and someone was busy with his files.
Mom, I'll tell the truth. We were feeling very sleepy. Gattu was sleeping while sitting only. But we had to surprise you.
You did give me a surprise. So, now all surprises are over?
Not so soon. We'll be back.
Gattu Chinky were running and brought a lot of gifts. One by one, everyone gave gifts to mom and clicked pictures on their mobile.
Mom, there are still a lot of surprises left. Chinky, isn't it? No, Dad will tell her.
Okay, alright. The kids have arranged a party for you tomorrow. Gattu Chinky have made all the arrangements. You just have to enjoy tomorrow. The kids have ordered food and drinks from outside, and they have sent invitation to everyone in the society. And there is one more thing.
What thing?
Do you know who is coming to meet you at the party tomorrow? All your childhood friends who got distanced from you over time. Gattu Chinky found everyone on social media and sent them invitations. Hearing this, Mom got emotional and hugged Gattu and Chinky.
Mom, are you happy now? Just tell us. What else can we do for you?
I'm very happy, son. I'm proud of you both. All I want is that 4 of us will keep talking throughout the night. All day long, you all are busy with your own work. When you come home, you get stuck on TV and mobile, and I feel really lonely.
Sorry, Mom.
Yes, after today we will give you time too. Then what? That's how the celebration started and they all kept talking throughout the night.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें